This one right here. I don't. What the hell is that? He swallowed an alien. Only reasonable explanation for that sound. Man, not right. It's not right that Jolux is that good. I feel like if I'm Jolux's parents, what I got to do is I got to make sure that like no one's tripping him because like literally physically tripping them because they know that he's going to beat them. Give him 5 years and D'Lo is going to be like, yo, he's going to give it up to this kid. It's insane how good he is. Oh, I've seen this man somewhere before. Like, it's the man right there. Listen, hell of a beatbox. I knew him. This guy's a killer actor.
Oh, let me.
Ooh.
Inward snare.
What's your loudest sound?
3, 1, 2.
Wait. How sick is this group right here? Makes me want to go to New York. Getting Gene and Napalm in the same room is crazy. That's a treat. I would love to know more about these other 3 gentlemen because if they're hanging around Gene, I imagine they're just absolutely sick and worth checking out. And I feel a little bad that I don't know who they are. Please, in the comments down below, tell me who those 3 individuals are because I want to give them the respect that they deserve. So just let me know who those are if you know down in the comments below. I want to check those folks out.
Probably.
I love those guys.
An inward kick. And a kick. And
Oh.
I'm gonna need to pull the mic away for this one.
I respect you. Thank you, sir, for your consideration.
My loudest sound probably gonna be my click.
Nice.
Sound off mic is the cricket whistle. Or on mic is.
Wait, whoa. He did like the sub bass thing, and then also there was like a whistle in there. With beatboxers and coming up with the weirdest sounds, like no one sits down and goes like, I want to whistle and sub bass at the same time. But apparently beatboxers do. A whole different breed of people.
My loudest sound maybe.
Surprise, motherfucker.
What's your loudest sound?
My loudest sound is like, it's
What are
actually a
these
whistle.
sounds?
It's like. And it goes like this.
It would have to be this whistle.
Oh God, ouch. Viewer discretion is advised.
What is your loudest sound? What? Loudest sound, probably just something like that. I think if we're just going for the loudest. Yeah.
My loudest sound.
Holy face tattoos, Batman. I don't feel like he answered the question. I mean, this sounds dope, though. Oh, maybe it's the whistle?
My loudest sound on the microphone,
really
I would
good.
say, is the click roll. It's really, really powerful.
I think my loudest sound is like one very simple, the snare, because when you are with freestylers, rappers, you need to be loud. So
I love how clean his basics are. Like,
think this one is really, really loud.
I don't know if that's the post snare. I don't know what that is.
What?
This is like not how you make friends, by the way. I've just got to put that out there.
Your loudest sound?
I think is...
Oh my god.
My loudest sound is this one. This is loud.
I think this one.
What's your loudest sound? Probably when I go. Or. Ooh, that one.
What's my loudest sound? What's my loudest sound? Yeah.
It's loud as fuck. Tell me that.
Probably my whistle. Yeah. I mean, I can go to the corner of my room. I'll do it.
Okay. Oh. Oh, jeez.
What's your loudest sound?
What's your loudest sound?
I'm not sure, but the... I think I can make it really loud if I want to.
Full sound.
I called it the bike whistle.
Why?
Probably my whistle, which goes like...
A lot of these whistles, man. I want like a trigger warning.
I guess it's going to be my high pitch and bass.
You go first. Okay.
Oh man. Ouch.
It's actually two of them. I think first will be. And the second goes like.
Wait, what?
Crazy.
Honestly,
wait, what was that
probably
sound?
my K snare.
Probably.
My loudest sound is...
It's the John Cena entrance. I'm happy when these like artists are like they're actually just not answering the question. They give a sick beat. Like I'm a fan of that. Ow!
Other than that, I like the rhino snare.
Why they call it the rhino snare?
Chihuahua.
That kind of looks
None
like
of
Boba.
my sounds are nearly that ear piercing.
Good.
My
is
loudest
that
sounds,
even?
maybe the PF snare, I would say that.
Now I'll give you two. My second loudest sound is my inward tooth whistle. And my loudest sound is actually my crab scratch.
Whoa, 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 whoa.